Hello everyone, this is Nicholas. Today's going to be a very exciting video. We're going to unbox 4 different EKSA products. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now for our very first product, we have the EKSA AirJoy Pro Surround Sound Gaming Headset. It usually retails for 246 Malaysian ringgit, but currently there's an ongoing sale which only retails for 110 ringgit. The product only weighs in at 162 grams, which is considered pretty lightweight. The slim design at first glance may look a little bit flimsy, but you have my word that the entire headset, it's very sturdy. It is a fairly stylish portable design, and what's nice about it is that it also comes with a carry bag. It is 7.1 sound surround, so it gives off an immersive gaming experience, knowing where your enemies are at all times. Its detachable, clear noise cancelling microphone is able to isolate any of your environmental or ambient noises. It has a very convenient audio control, it has a quick mute button, and of course your handy volume slider. The AirJoy Pro has versatile compatibility, so it comes with 3 different sets of USB-C to 3.5mm to your USB-A. Your console, PC, and even your mobile should be compatible with the AirJoy Pro. Next on the list, we have the EKSA E910. It normally retails for 510 Malaysian ringgit, but is currently on sale for only 425 ringgit. Now, as mentioned, it utilizes 5.8 GHz USB wireless connection. It is a plug-and-play headset, so no driver installation is required. I personally find the design of the E910 very beautiful. The polygonal diamond iron mesh design is really something to admire. Of course, aside from that, you do get the adjustable headband, the soft head cushion, and of course the overall ergonomic design. In terms of the sound department, it houses a 50mm sound driver, a virtual 7.1 sound surround support. Now instead of a detachable, we have a retractable unidirectional microphone. It also supports dual mic, ENC, noise cancelling. As for media controls, as expected, we have a volume slider and also a quick mute button, which is very convenient. So similarly as before, we do have support for versatile compatibility. There are 3 different sets of USB and cables which ensures the compatibility with any of your devices. Next on the list, we have the EKSA E900. This is a 7.1 virtual sound surround gaming headset. Normally it retails for 382 Malaysian ringgit, but currently it's only going for 170 ringgit. I would say that this headset here, aside from the design, overall it's actually very similar to the E910. The only difference is that this is wired and the E910 is wireless. So first things first, the E900 comes with a carry pouch and of course the stylish and convenient ergonomic design that is across all of the EKSA headsets. The Earcups and headband of the E900 are protein memory foam. It is well padded and the headband is ultra comfortable for those of you who plan to take your gaming sessions for long. The metal frame also ensures that the build quality of the E900 is durable. In the sound department, similarly as before, it supports 7.1 sound surround and it uses a 50mm sound driver. Now instead of a retractable, here we have a detachable noise cancelling mic. As for the media controls, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB interface, volume slider, and of course your mute button. Like always, it supports multiple platform compatibility, so you also get 3 different sets of different cables and USBs. Now the last and final product on the list, we have the EKSA E5 Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphones. So as you can tell, the first 3 headphones, even when it comes to its language design, is pretty much catered towards gamers. So the E5 normally retails for 468 Malaysian ringgit, but it's currently only on sale for 259 ringgit. Let's first talk about the design. It has a rotatable and foldable ear cups, which makes it convenient and portable to take it outdoors. The premium protein memory foam ear cushion and the adjustable headband makes it comfortable to wear for long hours. In the sound department, with the ANC on, you're able to block out extended range of low frequency noises, creating an overall pure and immersive listening experience. It utilizes a 40mm sound driver with hi-fi stereo sound. Now, in my experience with the ANC on or off, I do notice subtle differences with the background noises being toned down a little bit. Not to a point where you can't hear it, but is it a very obvious difference? That's up to you to decide. It utilizes the Bluetooth 5.0 and has support for CVC 8.0 noise cancelling mic. It charges with USB Type-C, and on a full charge you can get up to 60 hours of playtime. As for the casing, this one here is slightly different as compared to the others. What we have here is a hard casing, so for those of you who like to put this into your bag, I think the hard casing is a much better approach. So similarly as before, it has versatile compatibility, so you'll get all the different cables and dongles, which will help support for all of your devices. The links to all of the EKSA products that have been unboxed will be listed down in the description box below if you're interested in checking them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also click the little notification bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload my videos. Do let me know if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos so that I'll keep them in mind. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I'm Nicholas, and I'll see you guys in the next one.